Hey y'all, it's Margaret with Saunders IT. Welcome to our How To Tuesday. So today we're going to talk about the importance of not yanking the cord, okay? You want to save your laptop this way. So quick question. So when you unplug your laptop, think about how you do it. Do you pull the cord from the wall or do you pull it from the computer? Most people grab from the wall and leave the cord hanging from their laptop. Now let me tell you, I'm the world's worst, so I am preaching to the choir here with this How To Tuesday. But that tiny little habit can quietly break your laptop. So the everyday explanation for this is your charging port is not built for pulling, twisting, or sudden tension. So when you unplug from the outlet first, the cord's still attached to your laptop. Gravity does the rest. So that dangling cord puts stress on the charging port every single time. So it's kind of like yanking a phone charger out by the cord instead of the plug. So eventually something's going to give, okay? So the reason why this matters, the costly part, is a loose or broken charging port can cause intermittent charging, sparks, or overheating. The charger only works at a certain angle. I know that probably relates to some of you, and it's real expensive to repair, and possibly sometimes you have to get a new laptop. So here's the kicker. This kind of damage usually isn't covered by warranty. So all from unplugging it the wrong way. So the right way to do it, it's a 5-second free fix, okay? Before you move your laptop, unplug the cord from the laptop first. Then unplug it from the wall. And that's it. One small change and can equal big protection. So bonus tip, especially for kids and offices, if your laptop lives on a desk, train yourself and your kids or employees to grab the plug, not the cord. So you need to, reach really close and pull. If you just hold the cord, it's just pulling too hard. So charging ports are very delicate. Treat them like glass, not like a tug-of-war rope. So if your charger has to be just right to work, this might be why. So a little care now saves a lot of money later. And so that's it. So follow us more every Tuesday for tips and tricks. Feel free to email me. I love it when y'all email ideas or questions. Margaret@saundersit.net, and then our website is saundersit.net, and then over on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, we've got lots of things over there too. So I hope y'all have a great week, and I'll see y'all next Tuesday. Bye.